Hi everyone, it's Shana from WTI. I wanted to tell you about this absolute amazing water bottle, and this is from Simple Modern. This is the water bottle that will end all water bottles. It is 128 ounces, so it's 1 gallon. That's so amazing. I do love that it is vacuum sealed, it's double wall insulated, so it's gonna keep your colds cold for 24 hours. And it is leak proof, which is really great. When you're on the go, you don't have to worry about it spilling everywhere. What's also great is that this bottle comes with 3 different tops or carrying handles. Right now I have the chug lid on it, and it comes with a nice little carrying handle on the back. I do like to twist it off like so, flip that down, and you can chug, and you flip it down, twist it back on, and you're good to go. There is also the straw lid or handle. Comes with a nice straw for this massive bottle. Then you flip this down to expose that part. And again, it comes with a little carrying handle, and also there is just the regular carrying handle. I do love that I'm able to fill this up once for the day and I'm good to go. I don't have to worry about refilling it, which is important when you're on the go, and that's my point of view.